Colin, and the name of our brand is Frequency. I got a lot out of it. I think honestly the biggest takeaway for me is the idea that sprouted in my mind from the knowledge that I received. So it's kind of like it gave me an idea that helped me solve my own confusion that I've been kind of bouncing back and forth in my head for the past couple of years. Knownness and the importance of knownness. It feels different than popularity or viral or verification. It feels a little bit different. As knownness, it's not high celebrity, it's not so much pressure. Yeah, absolutely, especially the young. And the reason why I say young entrepreneurs is because we live in a world that's really changing. There's a lot of news, there's a lot of clutter out there, and you still got a dream, you still got a business, and you need direction on how to market yourself, strategically and safely in this world. So this way you can attract the right audience. Attracting the wrong audience can be dangerous for your business.